Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to our channel. My name is Amir Merchant. I'm a licensed immigration advisor for New Zealand and ex-migration agent for Australia here at G.E.M.S International. Our office is based in Auckland, City of New Zealand. Please do read the legal disclaimer provided in the comment section of this video before watching this video. Thank you. Alright, so today we are going to talk about, or rather brief you about, the different working holiday schemes that are available for nationals of different countries to apply and visit New Zealand for uh, tourism, study and work purpose. So let us look at the requirements for all working holiday scheme applicants. So apart from meeting the specific requirements for the relevant working holiday scheme, applicants must also meet the requirement under generic temporary entry instructions and the conditions that I will brief you now. Okay, so the general conditions which are applicable to all working holiday scheme applicants is as follows. Number one, the objective of the working holiday scheme is to allow young citizens of approved countries whose primary intention is to holiday in New Zealand to undertake employment and study during their stay in accordance with their scheme. Number two, to be eligible for a work visa under one of these schemes, applicants, in addition to meeting the requirements of the particular scheme they are applying under, must also meet with the following requirements. They should hold a valid passport from the country whose scheme they are applying under and be aged no less than 18 years of age and no more than 30 years of age, unless their scheme allows a different age limit, and not be accompanied by any children. Also, they should be able to provide and meet with the onward travel requirements and submit an application in the prescribed manner, which I will brief at a later stage. And obviously pay the appropriate fee and immigration levy and international visitor conservation and tourism levy, and meet with the health and character requirements as set out in the immigration policy, and be the holder of a valid temporary visa if applying from within New Zealand. And lastly, but most importantly, these applicants should not have previously been approved a visa under the working holiday scheme, except where their scheme allows a second application. So please remember that the policy for each country that falls under this visa category is slightly different, and I will be making a separate video for each country to ensure that there is no confusion between two countries. So the next point being, applicants are not required to provide any evidence of a job offer from a New Zealand employer under this scheme. Then, where a scheme has an ordinarily resident requirement, the applicant's usual place of permanent residence must be that country. This requirement is considered to be met if the applicant has not been absent from that country for more than 2 years, immediately preceding the application for a working holiday visa. Successful applicants must not undertake permanent employment unless they apply for and obtain a work visa that enables them to do so. So that is pretty much straightforward. Successful applicants may enroll in one or more courses of training or study of up to 6 months duration in total during their visit to New Zealand. And another important point being, all applications for a working holiday scheme work visa must be made using the electronic form provided on the Immigration New Zealand website. Right, so in this video, I'm going to brief you about the requirements for the Argentina working holiday scheme. So under this scheme, Immigration New Zealand is allowing 1,000 young citizens from the Argentine Republic age 18 to 35 inclusive annually. So this is normally the annual quota of the number of people that can apply for a working holiday visa from Argentina. However, there has been a little change made to this particular criteria, uh, and despite the above, this scheme is available to a further 1,000 young citizens from the Argentine Republic between the age group of 18 to 35 inclusive, and this is applicable until the 15th of September 2023. So yes, there is this window still open for Argentine nationals to take this opportunity and apply for a working holiday scheme. Coming to the next criteria, to be eligible for a work visa under this scheme, applicants must be citizens of the Argentine Republic and have a minimum of New Zealand dollar 4,200 available funds for their maintenance, obviously accommodation, food, medical, during the period of stay in New Zealand, and agree to hold the necessary medical and comprehensive hospitalization insurance that will remain current throughout their stay in New Zealand. And also there are a bunch of other requirements that we will advise you if at all you get in touch with us. Successful applicants will be granted a work visa with the following conditions. If the applicant is outside of New Zealand, first entry to New Zealand must be made within 12 months of the visa being granted. So this part is pretty much straightforward, and the visa will allow work and multiple entries to New Zealand for 12 months from the date of their first arrival in New Zealand. Or if the applicant is in New Zealand, the visa will allow work and multiple entry to New Zealand for a period of 12 months. And applicants have to make the necessary application in the prescribed format on the Immigration New Zealand website. And obviously we can assist you in this whole process. At G.E.M.S International, we not only provide you with professional help, but expert advice, and not just the working holiday scheme visa, but many other such visa categories. And you can reach us on our WhatsApp mobile number provided in the comment section below, and we will be glad to assist you. We would like to thank you once again for watching this video, and we hope you have found the information provided here useful. We will be back once again with another video on this working holiday scheme for various other countries. So please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can get regular updates on various videos that we are preparing. And thank you once again for taking the time to watch this video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.